Have you ever experienced this before? You wake up one morning and you feel puffy, bloated, sluggish, uncomfortable. You step on a scale and guess what? You've weighed 5 pounds more. I mean, oh my gosh, how can you gain an extra 5 pounds in less than 24 hours? But I just wanted to let you know you are not alone. I go through this myself occasionally, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to lose that stubborn stomach fat and start carving a sexy stomach, and how it's all backed by science. So if you've ever tried to lose weight, you've probably heard it more than once to drink more water because it will help you lose more weight. But can drinking water really help you lose weight? The short answer is yes. So do you like drinking a lot of water? It helps to boost your metabolism, cleanse your body of waste, and it also acts as an appetite suppressant. And drinking more water helps your body to stop retaining excess water, leading you to drop those extra pounds of water weight. And water aids in digestion and promotes the normal functioning of many of our organs. So imagine that you can lose 8 pounds per year just from drinking water. And chowing down on fiber-rich foods, and studies have shown that there's a direct relation between fiber intake and the reduction of belly fat. And the type of fiber you want to focus on is viscous fiber. These are the types of fibers that bind to water and slow down the digestive process, and those can be found in beans, vegetables, and whole fruits. Another important thing is regulating your sleep pattern. For every hour of sleep the body gets that is less than 8, the chances of having visceral fat increases. And if you only get 6 hours of sleep at night, you'll likely have a 22% gain of visceral fat. Can you imagine? And there's a reason lack of sleep is associated with cravings, high cortisol levels, poor skin, and other health issues. So it's important to get 8 hours of high quality sleep every night. And are you the kind of person that needs motivation to lose weight? In life, you can basically achieve nothing without being motivated. Motivation is the force behind everything that we as people want to achieve in life. We want to make money because of the fear of living in lack and want, and it's the same with weight loss. If you don't have enough motivation, you'll never achieve your desire of losing weight. Motivation is that force that keeps us moving even when we don't feel like it. So do you need to be motivated and keep it strong enough in order to lose weight? Click on the links to below and see the reason why it's so hard for you to lose weight while I'm able to lose 30 pounds in 14 days without workouts.